helmet right here. Do you see? Look, it says things, and look, it has a L.
Okay guys, this is Hazel and she gonna tell you how to drive the bike. So she wear the safety things, gloves, elbow caps and the knee caps. Now she is going to wear the helmet.
Okay, oh God.
Okay, so she is not wearing the helmet today because of her hairs. So now remove the bike from stand.
Yeah, my nose so hard.
Oh, good job. Oh, she got a Zozo, the beautiful bike. It's a rainbow colorful bike and she got the...
First, you have to check any cars coming. So no cars, and then you go, and then so hard to be, and then
Oh yeah, she's coming. Oh, she's riding. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
to ride.
Oh, it's uphill, Hazel, and she going fast. Hazel is going fast. Oh, the road is coming and she's going to brake.
Check cars.
Hey, which way you are going? Are you crossing the road?
Yeah, and then we go this.
Stop. Oh, you need to check both sides if there is any car. Then we're gonna go. Need to continue. Oh wow. The main road. Are you tired, Hazel?
No,
No?
no.
Oh, good. Oh, Hazel is driving with only one hand. Wow. That is so good. Yes. Make sure you don't fall. Eh?
I don't.
And Hazel.
I was riding so fast and I got tired, so I braked and put this, and I'm putting my feet right here because it's the lasting feet.
Okay, she got tired. She is taking some break over here. It's uphill and Hazel is going by walk because it's hard to drive on the uphills. Is it hard to drive on uphill?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is not uphill.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
Okay.
So guys, you have to stop before the road and you
Oh, it's a three roads together. Oh, Hazel comes back. I think she is tired now.
Yeah.
Are you tired, Hazel?
Yeah.
Too much tired?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, put it on a stand.
So tired.
Okay, we put it on a stand and she finish her ride.